Hi guys, it's Oriana. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for joining me in another video. Today we're going to be unboxing my Loewe basket bag, which I'm super excited to open as I actually haven't seen this bag in person. So I'm going to be sharing my genuine first impressions with you guys. So here I have the box that has the bag in it, which is just in this My Teresa packaging, which is where I purchased it from. Came with this little folder which has a quote by Alexander McQueen: "The world needs fantasy, not reality. We have enough reality today." I think that is very relevant to the times that we're living in now. So inside the folder is just all of the documentation. So it's got the My Teresa invoice for me, then it's just got the customs invoice, and then we've also got the returns form on there, which I'm hoping I will not be needing. So as I mentioned, I purchased the bag from My Teresa, so it's just come in one of their classic boxes. Let's just get this opened up because I'm so excited to see it, and then I'll go through how much I paid and delivery and all of that. So it's just got a little card that tells you, "Thank you. This package was lovingly wrapped by Ramonda." Cute. Ooh, Ramonda wrapped this up good. So here we are. It comes in a little dust bag. Well, actually, this isn't a little dust bag. This is an absolutely massive dust bag. But that's cool because, you know, these things always come in so handy. Let's just open that up. Oh, the straps aren't even done. So here she is. She is absolutely gorgeous. So this particular style comes in small, medium and large. I went for the medium because I felt it was more versatile. I want to be able to use this bag all over summer, whether I'm on holiday and I just want to go to the beach and take a towel, a snack, a bottle of water and a book. I want it to be a good enough size to throw all of that in there. And then I also wanted it to work for things like picnics, exactly the same thing, but instead of a beach towel, it's a picnic blanket. And I wanted to be able to use it also when I am roaming around town. I do need to carry either my laptop or my iPad and a few essential items. So I wanted it to be big enough to be able to hold all of that. So obviously we've got the leather plaque at the front, which is embossed with their logo, and then you've got the handles, which are gorgeous. You've also got the logo on the inside there of the handle, which is just a nice little bit of added detail, and on the other side too. Show you a little close up. Straps are adjustable, so as you can see the strap is slightly longer here. It's got two little holes, so you can either wear it on the length that I've got it on now, which is the shortest, as a top handle bag, and then you can also extend them so you can wear it as a shoulder bag, which I just think is great, and then again adds to the versatility of this bag. I went for the leather in the tanned colour. It comes in a few colours, so this year I've seen it also in yellow, but it was between the tan and the white for me. I thought those were the two that really caught my eye. If you follow me on Instagram, then you will know, because I'd asked you guys earlier this week whether you think I should go for the tan or the white leather. I did a poll and I think the tan won just by like the tiniest little margin, but I kind of decided on the tan already, just because although I think the white is stunning, I feel like for me, because I wear a lot of black, the tan is going to be a lot easier to style with my wardrobe. So all of their bags are handcrafted, and the basket bags are obviously made with natural materials, which means that they're all going to have their own individual characteristics. As you can see, like on my one, it's a little bit darker around the top here. They're never going to be two the same when you're working with natural materials like this. As you can see, it's in an open tote style. On the inside, as you can see, it's pretty bare. We've just got the little care manual, and then inside is this just certificate of authenticity. And then inside we also have the Loewe dust bag, which is a really nice quality feeling dust bag, and it's just got a big Loewe tag on it there. Inside it is literally bare. There is no holders, inserts or anything. Now I reckon you could use the dust bag that it comes with to secure your items on the inside, and I'm just going to try doing that now. I'll just put it around the handles just so that it's secure, just like that. Right, so you see like there, I've just latched it on like that so that it's extra secure, because for me walking around London, I couldn't have a bag that is completely open and anyone could just put their hands in and have full access to my things. That is not going to work at all. The fact that this bag didn't come with an actual insert was the only downfall for me in terms of spending as much as you're going to spend on a bag like this. You kind of want them to have done the thinking for you, but I do think that kind of solves that issue quite nicely, is just being able to use use that to actually put all of your bits and pieces inside of. That's quite a simple way to solve that problem. But then for me, I do quite like to have a little bit more organisation in my bag, so I was also thinking that I could use an actual bag insert that is a bit more of an organiser style. I'll just show you the one that I have inside my Mulberry zipped Bayswater, which is again a bag that doesn't have much organisation in it. All you've got is a little side slip here where you can put your card holder. So I purchased this bag organiser from Kurt Geiger just to pop inside here so that I could keep all of my things a little bit more organised when using it, because I don't just like to have an open bag where you have to go rummaging for things. I kind of like to just put my hand into a pocket and know exactly what's in there. So this is in the small size. I think they did 2 sizes of this and I purchased the small to fit in that bag. So this is really great because it's got pockets on the front, then it's got a big open space here, which also has a zip pocket inside, so you can put things that need to be extra secure in there. And then at the back it's got a button opening where again you can put kind of more loose items that you might want to get to a little bit more easily that aren't so precious, like lip glosses and things like that. So again, if I was using this, I would just loop it around like that so that it's extra secure. It would work fine like to put your precious items into, and then like anything bigger like a magazine or like a beach towel whatsoever that you want to leave on the outside could just fit there. I do kind of prefer the black because it's not so kind of eye-catching, whereas having the white strap of the dust bag around the side is a little bit distracting. But that definitely does work. So I purchased this bag from Mytheresa, as I mentioned, and I paid £175 for it, and then I paid £10 for shipping. There's only one shipping option, which was next day via DHL. So I think I ordered it on Thursday at like 2 o'clock, and by Friday 3 o'clock the bag was here. So it was a really fast turnaround. If you do want to get your hands on this bag, I would suggest that you get it pretty quickly, just because they do tend to always sell out by the time we've reached summer, especially if you want this colorway. I think the white is usually still available, but this one definitely does sell out, especially in this size. When I was getting it, it was only available from Mytheresa and on the actual Loewe website. I chose to purchase it through Mytheresa just because I use a cashback website, which I will link below in case you do want to get it from Mytheresa, and they give you 4.8% back, which I think worked out at about 16 or 18 pounds that I would get back, so I just thought might as well. In terms of luxury basket bags, this one definitely is on the more affordable side of the designer scale, being under £400. Obviously you've got ones from loads of other designers like Loewe, Saint Laurent, and they range from 400 to 1,000 plus. So this one is kind of like a nice price point in terms of being like a bit more of an entry level one. But will I say this bag is worth £375? Well, to be honest, that is completely up to you. It is an extremely basic bag. As I said, it's got nothing on the inside of it, no inserts, no anything. It is just, the leather detail is gorgeous. The straps are absolutely gorgeous. I love the fact that it's adjustable. The embossed logo at the front is gorgeous, and that is ultimately what you are paying for with this bag. You are just paying for that logo. It is just a brand thing at the end of the day. I don't really feel like this bag offers you much more in terms of design. But I personally do just love how classic and understated this bag is. Although it has got the massive logo on the front here, it is just beautifully embossed and it's not too garish. It's not like right in your face. It's a little bit more discreet, which I really like. But apart from that, I can't really say that there's anything majorly different to this bag than your average basket bag. And I have actually got another one that I want to show you. I will link this one below. I picked this up from ASOS, and this is a fab basket bag if you are on the fence as to whether you are wanting to spend the £400 on the Loewe one, or if you are just wanting to go with a high street brand. I love the colours of it. It's got slightly longer straps, which is great because it makes it a really good shoulder bag. The main thing I want to show you is if you do get a high street alternative like this one, I picked this up for £22. And it is a lovely bag. Not only is it this exact, pretty much same look and feel on the outside, but on the inside, you have got a lot more going on. You've got the fact that it fastens like that, perfectly at the top. It's fully lined, which is absolutely great. I would have absolutely loved for the Loewe one to be lined as well, just because you haven't then got to worry about anything that you put inside, like your keys or anything, catching on the weave and perhaps damaging the bag. And you've just got a couple of pockets on the inside here, which is fab because it just means easy access to a couple of things you want to be more handy. I'll link this bag below. It should still be available as I only literally picked it up the other week. I just think it's an absolutely fab basket bag for £22. But for me, the Loewe bag definitely is worth it. I know that I will definitely get my money's worth when it comes to cost per wear. This is the type of bag I know I will use so much. It's just a bag that I have admired for a long time, and it's been all over my Pinterest boards. I'm still pinning it to this day, so I thought, yeah, I'm just gonna go for it and get it. But in terms of whether you get this one or not, I really would say do consider whether it is a bag that you want to spend that much money on, just because as much as it is a bag that you can wear around town, for me this very much is a seasonal bag. I pretty much guarantee I will only really be wearing this from March through to September. I wouldn't really be getting this out in the colder months unless I have got a holiday booked. So it is whether you want to invest in a bag that you are only wearing for a few months of the year, rather than a bag that you could potentially wear all throughout the year. But I would say if you are on the fence, definitely do consider a high street alternative like this gorgeous basket bag that was £22, does everything the Loewe bag does, if not more. Now, it may not last as long as the Loewe bag. I can't really speak on that because I am just unboxing this one, so I can't talk on durability. But for £22, you honestly cannot go wrong. If you want to know how I'm going to be styling this bag, then make sure you're following me on Instagram, as you're going to be seeing this baby lots on there over the next few months. Also, if you did enjoy this video, please do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing, because I would love to have you here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.